Welcome back to my channel Edify. In this session we will learn about regular expressions. So let's get started. Regular expression is a sequence of characters that forms a search pattern. It is used to check if a string contains the specified search pattern. Python has a built-in package called re which can be used to work with regular expression. Before proceeding with practical work, let's look at the table displayed on the screen. These are the meta characters with a special meaning. Please take a moment and memorize the meta characters. These meta characters are frequently used while coding, so it is important to understand each and every meta character with its function. For example, let's search the string to see if it starts with the and ends with Finland. To do that, let's type import re. As I mentioned earlier, this module is imported to work with regular expressions. Then type text is equals to the snowfall in Finland. Then x is equals to re.search of power symbol the asterisk symbol Finland dollar, then comma text. Here power symbol return to find if it starts with, then asterisk symbol return to find 0 or more occurrences, then dollar symbol return to find if it ends with. Then type if x print s we have found, then else print not found. Now if we compile this, we get the output as yes we have found. Moving on to regular expression functions, the re module offers a set of functions as you can see on the screen that allows us to search a string for a match. Moving further, let's learn each and every function with examples. First we have find all functions. This function returns a list containing all matches. Let's see how it works. Type import re, then text is equals to the rain in Finland, then x is equals to re.find all of AI, comma text. Here this line of code will return AI letters from the given text. Then type print of x. Now if we compile this, we get the output as AI. Next we have search function. This function returns a match object if there is a match anywhere in the string. If there is more than one match, only the first occurrence of the match will be returned. If no matches are found, the value none is returned. So let's see how it works. For example, import re, text is equals to the rain in Finland, x is equals to re.search of \s, comma text. Here the \s is represented for the white space. Then print of the first white space character is located in the position x.start. Here the start method of a math object returns the starting index of the first occurrence of matched substring. Now if we compile this, we get the output as the first white space character is located in position 3. Then we have a split function. This function returns a list where the string has been split at each match. Let's see how it works. Type import re, then let's split the string at every white space character. To do that, let's type text is equals to the rain in Finland, then x is equals to re.split of \s, comma text, then print of x. Now if we compile this, we get the output as the, comma rain, comma in, comma Finland. You can control the number of occurrences by specifying the max split parameter. For example, let's type 1 in this line, which indicates where to split. Now if we compile this, we get the output as the, comma rain in Finland. Lastly, we have subfunction. This function replaces one or many matches with a string. Let's see how it works. Type import re, then let's replace whitespace character with 2. To do that, let's type text is equals to the rain in Finland, then x is equals to re.sub of \s, comma 2, comma text, then type print of x. Now if we compile this, we get the output as the, 2, rain 2 in 2 Finland. Here instead of white space, 2 is replaced. You can control the number of replacements by specifying the count parameter. Just type 2 in this line, which represents the count. Now if we compile this, we get the output as the 2 rain, 2 in, then we get white space, then Finland. So this was all about regular expression, where we have covered meta characters and functions to work with. I hope you guys enjoyed this session. If you did, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more such updates. Thank you for watching.